Okay, getting started with BYO audio is really easy. Great service. They allow for 2-hour recordings. I like them a lot. It's the only audio service that I use. I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you just how quick and easy it is to get started with BYO. As soon as you get back here, of course, there's lots of buttons to click on and things to read and go on. But all you got to do is come back here, click on audio. And then from there, what you'll see is a listing of all of your audios that you've recorded. But you probably won't have any, right? Because you just got the service, so you wouldn't be watching this video. And then over here to the right, you can choose your method of recording. Now you can upload a file if you've already got the file on your computer. You can use a PC microphone, but let's start with the simplest of all, which is just the telephone. And you're going to have a number to dial into, and then you're going to have a PIN number, and then you hit the pound key. That's how you're going to make a phone recording. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to record a conference call, something that's going to have hundreds of people on it. All you do is you dial into your number, enter the PIN, hit the pound key, come down here and select 3 to record a conference call. If you select anything else to record a conference call, your conference call has the beeps and the chirps and all sorts of things going on in the background, and number 3 is set up for that. Now, as soon as you press 3, you're going to hear an automated teller start talking about how, when the recording ends, how you have to, press this or whatever. Just hang up the phone when the recording ends and you're done. But while she's talking, you can 3-way in. Of course, you'll need 3-way service, with your telephone company. But you just 3-way in the conference that you're, for your conference call that you're going to record. You're going to have a number and a PIN as well. And so, but dial into this first, hit the pound key, 3-way, hit the number 3, and then 3-way yourself into that conference call, because a lot of us have home-based businesses, and that we want to let people listen to recordings of conference calls in case they missed it and things like that. And that's as simple as it is. Another way to do that, let me click on audio again, and then we'll go ahead and talk about another way to record, which is the PC microphone, which is what I'm using right now. And you're just going to plug that into your computer or your USB port, however it's set up, and you'll discover that all you got to do is come down here, click on allow, and then click on begin. And from there, you just start recording. You click on record, you start talking. When you're done talking, you click stop. And it's as simple as that. You come down here and you click on save. After you've, of course, given your recording a title or written a description. And this is all optional, by the way, to put in the title of the description. Anywho, going to come back over here, click on audio, and let you know as you make your recordings, they're going to be itemized and listed here. Now, to get one, to go ahead and publish one, just going to put a check mark next to it. Click on publish, and from here, they're going to ask you, how do you want to publish it? Download link, send it out in an email, or for a website. Let's go ahead and do publish for website. And you'll see that they have many options: drag bar, affiliate player, standard player, stick player, hidden player. And I'm going to go ahead and choose this one, put the radio button for this recording here, come down here, click on next step, and from here we're already ready to go. You can easily just come on down to the bottom, click on generate HTML code, and you can also, or first you can play with some of these options, which is to change the look and feel of this bar here. And so I can change the color of the bar, and let's see, background color, this is for your page, foreground color. If we come down here and we click on preview, and you'll see that it's changed a little bit, that the foreground is white. Now we can change the progress from that army green, or let's see, we'll change that to white. Actually, that's a slider knob, and then we'll come down here and click on preview, take a look at it again. So you can keep on adjusting it and get it to look, just like you want to. I'm going to go ahead and change that army green slider knob to, let's say, red. And we come down here, and then I'm also going to change the height of it to 40, double it from 20 to 40. and then we'll click on preview. And you can see how you can make the button look just like you want it to look, matching up with your web page. And if you want it to autoplay, as soon as somebody visits your web page, you'd click that radio button there, change it back. It's all sorts of options, but anywho, we're going to go ahead and click on Generate HTML Code. Okay, slide down. There's our code. We're just going to copy it. And then we'll take it over to, in this case, Dreamweaver. Now, here's a web page that I'm working on. And if I want that button right here in the middle, I just put my cursor where I want it. In this case, I have it right here. And I just need to go to the HTML source code side of the page. This is the WYSIWYG side. What you see is what you get. As you type, you get, what we type in. But anywho, we can click on code side. And the cursor's still there, so where we would put it. And then we just put our little cursor there. We come down here and click on paste. You couldn't see it there, but I clicked on the paste button after right clicking. There it is. Go back to design mode. And you can't see it because it's Java. But if I go ahead and hit F12 in Dreamweaver, that will open up the page in a new browser and you can see it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, and here's the page in a browser window, and you can see what that button looks like, and there it is. Okay, we'll meet you in the next video.